Alright, so I am back. I never left. I left for like 2 days, but that wasn't about nothing. You feel me? I do see the market is still going sort of sideways. Hold on, let me so you got a high back here, which was my birthday, the second, and then we just created another high on Thursday. Well, we created one. This is Wednesday. Yeah, that was Wednesday. No. That was this was it was Thursday. Pre-market, and then created a new high this Thursday, and struggled to make another high on Friday. So now zooming out, looking, consuming information. You feel me? I'm very happy on what the hell I'm learning. I cannot lie, and applying this shit and seeing this shit for real. But let's talk about what the fuck I did this week. My bad for the profanity. I'm very sorry. But let's talk about what I did this week. I know Amazon. I lost on Amazon at 106 level. So I got in on Amazon. Okay, let's go back to Monday. You feel me? I'm doing something new this video. I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what I think. Hold on, he's seaweed. Oops, hold on. All right, Monday, 106 level. So this level right here. So apparently, I forgot what side I got in, but all that's changing. I will know in these next following weeks and beyond. I want to say I got in on the call side. It went up, but it never. You feel me? After this candle, you feel me? It never shot all the way up. So that was like an 8% loss, and then I think I caught it at the same level. I caught it at the same level, and the same result. I got out at what, -6%. So that was Amazon. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna look on that trade. I want to see what the hell I did, and then I got in on SPY, like the wrong side, loaded the wrong contract. That was Monday. Okay, boom. Let's go to Tuesday in the video. 111 puts. I think this was Mike. I think Mike signaled this trade. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, boom, right here. Oh, Tuesday. I'm tweaking. Hold on. Let me get right. Okay, boom. I'm gonna do post pre-market. If y'all hear me say post-market, and I'm looking at and it's in pre-market, just know it's not regular trading hours. You feel me? Yeah, straight like that. But anyway, Tuesday which was my only trade on the video, 111 puts. Yeah, that did not succeed. Cause price went up. I really want to go to a smaller time frame. I really want to see like what the heck happened. So it held this level. It held that 113. Made a W, closed the W, came back down in that level, and I think so. No, hell no. Damn, I didn't got a. I don't know where I got filled at. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna cap you down. I don't even know. This Wednesday. What the bro? Hold on. My bad. Cause bro, I ain't gonna lie. That junk just threw me off. Anyway, let me get right. Okay. Tuesday. it had to been around here. It had to been like around here. One of these candles. I think I slick remember seeing this because it went down and moved up, and then it made a it went down low, high. It made a higher high in the same session. Uh, then post market it went down. Then Wednesday it chopped around at its 113 level. It then shot up. Yeah, crazy. But that was my trade on Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday, I ain't gonna lie. That was the day that did it. You feel me? I cannot lie because I was I was sitting on my hands the whole day. I left my screen. I left my screen, and I decided to take a trade. Shout out Midas. Thought the trade was gonna work out. It didn't work. I got SPY on a Wednesday. Boom, Wednesday. I'm this trade I remember because it was around like 2 o'clock I think. I remember this shit. Yep, it was around. Hell no, it couldn't have been. No, wait. Yes, it was. It had to been because look, I believe people thought it was gonna keep going down. I think it made this green candle, and I had got filled. I think I got filled at the top of this green candle, somewhere in between here, and price went up. Um, yeah, price definitely went up, and that yeah, I got 1 days on SPY, and I got out at like 12%. But that taught me a real lesson. Like, feel me? If I don't see nothing in like in between fucking, I'm sorry for my profanity, real talk. But if I don't see nothing in between when I'm sitting down at my table at my desk, that's like I can say that, but then again I can't say that. Cause listen, bro, what if I would have won? Like, yeah, I'll be. You feel me? It'll be different thoughts. So I ain't gonna say that just now. I ain't gonna say that just necessarily because I do see. I'm not trying to compare this. This is just what I see, but I do see other traders that trade what 9:30 to like 11, however long, and then they'll trade later on in the day. But I guess I have to get to there first. But in the meantime, I think I'm gonna just go with my first mind and just not trade after like 1 o'clock. You feel me? Really 12. I really don't even trade after 12 for real. But on to my 5. You feel me? I just had to do that. I'm trying to do something new. I'm gonna get better at that. Um, definitely marking out. Definitely telling y'all where I got in at because I don't even know. I forgot where I got in at off that Amazon and that Nvidia. Cannot lie. Cannot lie. But anyway, SPY zooming out. Let me go to a higher time frame. Really, let me go to the daily. I really should start on the weekly. I ain't even gonna lie. But anyway, I ain't even gonna start on the weekly. Yes, I am. Crazy. I wanna call this a harmony. Hold on. I ain't even that deep, but I just wanna see something right fast. We were seeing it in this following week. I really want to see where it closed. I'm sorry, I was just reading. I cannot lie. But anyway, I maybe a bullish and harmony, bear harmony. Let's see. I would love to see, but I ain't gonna lie. Like zooming out, looking at it, like the information that you feel me, conceiving. Like SPY is, I guess. I mean, ain't no I guess, but SPY has been chopping around. it been going up, but it hasn't made like higher highs. And if you look at the bottom at the volume, it hasn't been no real volume. Price went up off of fucking my bad off of Donald Trump speaking. Price went up off of Donald Trump speaking, and I want to say he made that deal with the UK. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this joint good. That's the what's name that I meant to say. I thought it was Ukraine or somebody, but it was the UK. But anyway, what I got for SPY, I got 560 bounce. If it hold 560, that level, that area, I'll be back into highs. I will be back into highs. And yeah. Mm. But we will see. Uh, this is very interesting on Thursday. I did not see this on Thursday. Feel me? Which is good. Which is great. But let's go to the Qs. I ain't gonna try to make this video too long. The joint is at 11 minutes, so let me try to wrap this up. Qs 482. That's what I got. 482 bounce. And then I really wanted to go a little lower than 482. So maybe let's say 479, 48, 47, yeah, 479, 480 level around that zone. A bounce off that zone back into highs. I don't know when that would be. But that's just what I think. And also last week I went like 3 for 2. I know Apple didn't hit, and Apple didn't hit. I not Spot didn't hit. You feel me? Apple and Spot didn't hit. I think I said Apple like above 209, but it was around that 200 level, and I wanted Spot to do. Now I gotta go back and look. And I want Spot to do above 570, but it closed 564. So we will see. Oh, also news. I know this is very sporadic, but news, we don't have no news till like Thursday 3. You feel me? This is all pre-market, so this is all pre-market. So very interesting. I would definitely be up in. I would definitely see that. Then oil inventory, crude oil inventory, and then yeah, some more red folders pre-market. Then we got Powell speaking. I wonder what time does Powell stop speaking. I wonder does he stop speaking right before market open. We will see. But anyway, that's the Qs again. 480 bounce, 482 bounce around that level. Back into highs. Hopefully. I do got Microsoft on here, but it is at the bottom of my paper. But I got 430 zone back into highs. 430. So around this level, back into highs. Also, I did not see. I was not aware. I will like this gap to be filled. Historically, gaps 9 times out of 10 gaps are gonna be filled. Not all the time, but majority of the time gaps will be filled. And Microsoft had this is why I gapped up, because they had good earnings, but they never retraced the gap. I'm gonna retrace to close that gap. So definitely will see that. Yeah, feel me? Huge gap up. What is that? Damn, that's a. Hold on, I ain't even gonna try to until they close. Wow, almost 9% gap up. So yeah, very 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 interesting on Microsoft. Yeah, let's go Nvidia. I'm gonna go Nvidia. Let's do Nvidia. I said 115 bounce back into highs. They made new highs around yeah, 120 area, but let me just, you feel me, be very precise. 119 81, 11981. That's their new highs as of last week. Feel me? Uh yeah. This was pre-market. Wow. So it never really went back up there. So technically it's high, still around like 118. Yeah. And then I guess, bro, Friday always doing some weird shit. Like Friday, like bro. I guess Friday had like a move down. I really want to see this. Friday had like a move down and just chopped around the level. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Had a sell off, broke below that. No retest. She just went, just slapped down, straight momentum. But yeah, definitely seeing this shit. I cannot lie. I can't curse on that because that shit just real. Uh, it's not last thought. Let me try to wrap this up. But Amazon, let me try not to look at my paper. I think I said 190. Oh, I said 194, but I said watch 190. I said 194, but watch 190. That's my belief on Amazon. Still trending high. All these stocks are not in the downtrend, so that's where I'm getting all my back into highs. You feel me? But if the stock do change, shit is gonna change. You feel me? Like, yeah. And then honorable mention, Take Two. I really want to see them back all time highs again. Um, yeah, Take Two. Crazy news. They they said it was, what did they say? Something about what is it? The release. They pushing it back. I don't know why the stock had went up. I believe I didn't even see this. This was April, bro. This was April. I never even seen this. This was April, and then I guess when they announced the stock, what is it called? I guess when they announced that they was pushing the game back, it dropped a significant amount on May 2nd. But that's crazy. But yeah, they do have earnings. I really want to see how they do off earnings. I do know they're a profitable company. Uh, let's see. Oh, that would have been cool if it was already on the financials. But wow, whoa, they're not profitable. Wow, that must be, whoa, whoa. Hold on, I just got told. This, yeah, it must be EA. EA must be profitable. Yeah. Okay, it's EA. Okay. I had them mixed up. I knew one of them was profitable and one of them was not. So still want to see how they do on their earnings. Um, let's see. They hit on last since last year. They've been hitting on their earnings since last year. So it's gonna be interesting. Uh, also, I didn't even show y'all the earnings. Golly, yeah, I'm all over the place today, but it's all good. Um, the big names I see. Um, Let me just look. PLTR has earnings. Oh, at the close. PLTR. Wait, it's May 5th. This old. What the? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, that's old. That's old. Okay, this is the new orange. Okay, I know I wasn't tripping because I know it because I know, bro. I literally do this shit 24/8. I swear to God. But anyway, Arch, Hertz. Let me see. Alibaba, Walmart, Costco. I mean, Cisco. Um, Take Two, John Deere. So we got a lot of companies report our earnings. Under Armour, Jack in the Box. Bro, I really like be amazed. Like I learn something new every day with this shit. Like fucking Jack in the Box got a stock. Like I ain't even I necessarily didn't even know that. Like that shit crazy. But uh Canva, you talking about the Canva? Hold on. Nah, that's not Canva. That's something else. I'm tweaking. Kava. That's the food place. I never had Kava, but I heard about it. Definitely heard about it. It's something. Yeah, yeah. Definitely heard about some Kava. I don't know nothing about no Kava. I know. I think I heard Mike was like they got bad reviews or something like that, but and they don't got good financials. Matter of fact, we finna look up their financials right now. So they definitely are growing. Uh, I don't know. I haven't had no Kava, nothing. I don't even know what they sell. I mean, I just looked at one of their plates. I guess they some type of Mexican restaurant. Um, let's see. This the last. What's the name? You feel me? Profile. Uh, okay. So yeah, they just some type of food company. And yeah, I know. This, but I ain't gonna lie. If I was to give y'all one stock that I hope this shit would go up, SOXL. I'm gonna just say that. Fuck you talking about. SOXL. This is a ETF. They I know they have AMD, TSM, Nvidia, a lot more companies in they basket. But I would definitely love to see this stock go up. I will be updating y'all on this stock, but I ain't trying to make this video too long. But yeah, I'm back. I never left for real. Uh, shit. It's time to eat, my nigga. You feel me? Like Gang told me. He say shit never settle. Shit, you won't never see a lion eating grass. So you feel me? Straight like that. And I can't believe I didn't have this shit already up there. And NRG, Fox, all that shit. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I fuck around, get carried away. I could talk about this shit for years upon years. For real, that's how I be feeling. Can't cap, but like the video.